getting it right. Scattered designs, dreams on the line, building the future one part at a time. Benches cluttered with tools and parts, deadlines loom, racing hearts, designs refined, adjust and repeat, pushing ahead, no thought of defeat. Motors and wires, circuits and metal, chasing a vision, chasing what's real. Every connection a hope, every part a plan, forging the future with tireless hands. One by one, the new robots stand, unsteady at first, getting the lay of the land. Calibrating motion, each step a new start, with strength in their circuits and fire in their hearts. But testing was needed, one robot must fall. Number 11 was chosen, required to bear it all. Through every impact he'd learn and endure, so those who came next would stand strong and sure. Motors and wires, circuits and metal, chasing a vision, chasing what's real. Every connection a hope, every part a plan, forging the future with tireless hands. Benches cluttered with tools and parts, deadlines loom, racing hearts, designs refine, adjust and repeat, pushing ahead, no thought of defeat. Motors and wires,